Welcome, listener. Today we will discuss a very important loop, that is for loop. The for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence like a list, tuple, string, dictionary, or range and execute a block of code multiple times. Syntax for variable in sequence colon has, that is code that should be under indentation. So here variable, that is gets each item from the sequence one by one, and sequence can be a list, tuple, string, range, etc. As for example, using range, for I in range 5 colon print I. The range 5 generates a sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The for loop goes through each number in that sequence and print I prints the current number. So in the output, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now iterating over a list. Animals equal to cat, dog, tiger, lion. For I in animals colon print I. This code will print each animal from the list one by one. Here animals equal to cat, dog, tiger, lion. That should be under third bracket. That is, it is a list with 4 elements. Now for I in animals, it shows the loop takes each element of the list, that is first cat, then dog, then tiger, and then lion, and store it in I. And print I prints the current element. That's why we get in the output cat, dog, tiger, lion. Iterating over a string. For ch in welcome colon print ch. This loop goes through the string welcome character by character. A string in Python is treated like a sequence of characters. For ch in welcome, it shows each character of welcome is taken one by one and stored it in ch, and print ch prints that character. That's why in the output we get welcome. Iterating over a tuple, fruits equal to mango, comma apple, comma banana, that should be under first bracket, that is tuple. For I in fruits, colon print I. So here a tuple containing 3 elements, and for I in fruits, the loop takes each element of the tuple one by one and stored it in I, and print I prints the current fruits. That's why we get mango, apple, banana. Using else with for loop. For I in range 3 colon print I else colon print loop finished. Here for I in range 3 generates numbers 0, 1, 2 and print I prints each number. After the loop ends without a break, the else block executes. Here the key points is the else part runs only if the loop finishes normally, and if the loop is interrupted with a break, the else block will not run. We will discuss its proper utility when we will discuss break statement. Now key points: runs once for each item in a sequence. We can use break to exit early and continue to skip an iteration. We will discuss break and continue statements in future lectures. At that time, we will discuss its utility for loop. Works with iterables like list, tuple, that is dictionary, set, string, etc. And remember, use for when we know the sequence or range of items. Use while when repetition depends on a condition. Features of for loop in Python: iterates over sequences, works with list, tuples, strings, dictionaries, sets, and other iterables. No need to manually manage counters. Unlike while, we don't need to initialize or update a loop variable explicitly. Works with range function, commonly used for looping through a sequence of numbers. Supports else block. The else block executes if the loop completes normally, not terminated by break. Supports break and continue. Break exits the loop early, continue, skips the current iteration. Can be nested. We can use one for loop inside another for. Thank you.